What if I told you in math you can manifest answers? And here's an example with trig identities. So let's do this question where we have cos x plus 1 over sine cubed x equals cosecant x over 1 minus cos x. We start with any side. Let's say we start with the left side. Usually you want to start with the side with more terms, but this one has both the same number of terms. Left side is cos x plus 1 over sine cubed x. And then the idea is you want to manifest here, because there isn't really much you can do at this point. Because the right side has 1 minus cos x, you basically just tack that on to your left side. So our left side has cos x plus 1 over sine cubed x, and then you multiply that by 1 minus cos x over 1 minus cos x. Because you wanted 1 minus cos x on the bottom, you're allowed to do this because that's like multiplying by 1, because you're dividing 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x, which is just 1. So you're allowed to do that. So now what you have is cos x plus 1 times 1 minus cos x all over sine cubed x bracket 1 minus cos x. So we're kind of there because we have 1 minus cos x in the denominator. We just need cosecant x in the numerator. Well, now we can do some algebra because we have something to do here. We have binomial expansion in the numerator. So we expand it. So then now we have cos x minus cos x squared plus 1 minus cos x. Cos x cancels. And now we only have negative cos x squared plus 1. But if you know the identity sine squared plus cos squared equals 1, this is something that you should definitely memorize. Then you know that 1 minus cos squared is sine squared by just rearranging the sine squared. So then 1 minus cos squared, which is the same as negative cos x squared plus 1, is equal to sine squared. So we can change this to sine squared x over sine cubed bracket 1 minus cos x. But we have sine squared on the top and sine cubed at the bottom, so we can cancel. Now we have 1 over sine times 1 minus cos x. But this can be also rewritten as 1 over sine over 1 minus cos x over 1. Because when you divide fractions, you need to flip the bottom fraction. So then you get 1 over sine times 1 over 1 minus cos x. Now 1 over sine x is the same as cosecant. So we can replace that with cosecant. And then the denominator is just 1 minus cos x. And then we just showed that the left side is equal to the right side. If you know any tricks for proving trig identities, please leave it in the comments below. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.